Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Foodcare Milk pH tester, the IC-HI981034. The Foodcare Milk pH tester is an application-specific pH tester engineered to withstand the tough environments of milk processing plants. Further features of this meter include straightforward single button operation, compact waterproof casing, automatic buffer recognition, automatic temperature compensation, and a specialized built-in probe. In the box there's an instruction manual, calibration certificate, 6 sachets of solution. There's two 20ml pH 7.01s, two 20ml pH 4.01s, and two 20ml electrode cleaning solution for milk deposits. There's a 13ml bottle of electrode storage solution, and the HI981034 pH meter. Features of the meter include an extra large LCD screen, a single button, an electrode storage cap, the specially designed pH probe, and on the back is the battery compartment. To get started, simply twist the battery compartment door counterclockwise to remove the battery saver tab, and replace the battery compartment door. Press the button on the front of the meter to switch on the unit. And that's what comes in the box with the Foodcare Milk pH tester, the IC-HI981034. For more information on this meter, contact an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.